Looking for a side hustle these days is quite tough, but lucky for you, the Financial Bridge is here to help, which is why for this video, we have prepared 5 passive side hustles you may begin right now from home and which have the potential to earn you several $100s daily. In other words, you may make money from these side gigs passively, even while you sleep, and the best part is that you don't even need any special abilities or training to do them. All you need is some spare time. But before we go on, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to see more of our future uploads. We won't keep you waiting for too long, so let's begin. The first isn't even a side hustle in the strictest sense, but it might add thousands to your bank account in a matter of minutes, so we had to include it. You can access the unclaimed property program maintained by your state's Treasury Department through a website called missingmoney.com. This service is offered to you at no cost. The state returns over $3 billion in unclaimed funds to their rightful owners each year. And we can tell you that even if you don't think you're missing any money, you'd be extremely surprised. Now this is how you use missingmoney.com. First, go to the website and then type your name into the search bar to verify that he is truly owed money. We will narrow our search to just North Carolina and observe that his name appears twice. Obviously, the amount of money you can make from this side gig is directly proportional to the amount of money you lose. However, the final cost may range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, but we'd like to remind you firsthand that this is not a sustainable kind of financial support. However, and thus ranks only 5th on this list. Some of the later side hustles though can easily bring in 6 figures annually. As a side gig, it only gets a 3 out of 10 from us. Your car, your house, or even a single room in your house could all be good candidates for renting out. But by renting out your garden, driveway, attic, basement, or even spare closet, you can generate some of the easiest passive income you've ever made with this side hustle. You may list anything on neighbor.com by clicking the Become a Host button. Users are renting out listings for hundreds of dollars a month. Such a person, for instance, rents a parking place for $150 per month, together with a completely ordinary residence. You might be wondering, what the heck are other people storing in my space, since you are not sure if you want to be there? Well, it might be anything from a box of miscellaneous items to a car, RV, boat, or business inventory, and the best part is that signing up is quick, simple, and completely free of charge. Simply head on over to theneighbor.com, select host, then list your space, and then sign up for an account to get started. Depending on what you are selling, your monthly income could range from $50 to $500 or more. Considering the cost, we rate it at 4. This one is very intriguing, and top hosts can make as much as $100,000 a year on average. Peerspace.com is a website where people may advertise their homes to be used as filming locations. If you want to host your website for free, all you have to do is click the Start Hosting for Free button, then fill out basic information, add some photos, then hit the Submit button. Now all you can do is wait. We realize that many of our houses featured on the site's front page are quite luxurious, but be assured that your own home doesn't need to be particularly extraordinary for this to work. Movies and TV shows frequently need regular homes for filming, so why not lease yours and earn hundreds of dollars an hour? Filming can last anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, so you could easily earn potentially tens of thousands of dollars for this side hustle. And the best part is that it's all passive income. Even better, if something were to happen for your home, Peerspace would safeguard you by giving $1 million in liability coverage. You may make anything from $100 to $500 per hour on renting out your home in Peerspace, and the top host can earn well into 6 figures per year doing so. We estimate a 6 out of 10 on the cash flow scale for this part-time gig. There is an anticipated $5.5 trillion in sales for the online retail business in 2018. Just think for a moment about how much money you could make if you could get your hands on a tiny fraction of that $5.5 trillion. And that's where the next side gig comes in. Etsy is one of the largest e-commerce sites in the world, ranking 3rd only behind Amazon and Walmart. Discovering popular things that sell on Etsy and then finding similar items on dhgate.com is about all this side hustle entails. DHgate is a wholesale marketplace where you can find incredible deals on all sorts of goods. Still, top sellers on Etsy are easily making well over 6 figures per year, and the ordinary seller can expect to earn anything from $1,000 to $5,000 each month in passive revenue. Given the relative ease of this side hustle and the fact that you never have to leave your house and you can do this all from the comfort of your bed and still make really good passive income, we're going to give this a 7 out of 10 on the money scale. Okay, we'll be completely forthright with you. We considered taking up this latest side gig on the personal front. It's very low-hanging fruit to get started. There's no initial investment needed, and it has the potential to be highly passive and profitable. Surely you are familiar with the concept of print on demand. This is the case when one has an internet business where caps and t-shirts are sold to anybody happening across the store. Now the catch is that this strategy is effective only if you already have a sizable online audience or if you are constantly promoting your store on various online forums, Facebook groups, and among personal network. However, for the side hustle, all you need is a free Etsy shop and a free Printify.com account. You don't even need friends or significant social media following. Simply said, you'll be selling a wide variety of merchandise, including but not limited to t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, mouse pads, mugs, bottles, towels, and pretty much anything else you can think of. You can start making money on the side without investing any cash if you have the skills to create and sell products such as apparel, phone cases, socks, and so on. Once you've got things set up, you can count on making an average of $1,000 to $5,000 per month. However, there are people making $15,000 to $20,000 per month or more. Thus, it is conceivable to make much over $60,000 annually. You may make a lot of money without ever leaving your house or dealing with stock. On the money scale, this side gig grades a perfect 10. And that concludes our video for today. If you have any other side hustles you'd like for us to include in our next list, then feel free to comment it down below and we'll make sure to take note of it. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. This is The Financial Bridge. And if you like this one, please make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button as well to stay updated for more of our personal investment and financing videos. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you on our next video.